This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network. And joining me right now is Russell Starr. He is the CEO of Trillium Gold. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: TGM on the TSX Venture and TGLDF on the OTCQX. And Trillium will be presenting virtually at our upcoming in-person investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase, happening May 3rd through the 5th, 2022 at Bally's Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. For more information to register and see that presentation, please go to planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Russell, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
I'm good, man. Always a pleasure, Robert.
Always a pleasure. So before we get into a quick update, give us that couple, that one or two lines that best describes Trillium Gold.
Look, dominant world-class land position in arguably one of the best jurisdictions in the world in Red Lake, literally neighboring, Barrick, Kinross, Evolution, Pure Gold, which has fallen on a little bit of hard times right now, but effectively sitting in arguably one of the best gold jurisdictions ever, with arguably the largest land position.
Very good. All right. Yeah. So last time we did an interview together, we published that on September 7th, 2021. So let's get that update. What would you say are some of the company's highlights since then?
Well, the highlights are ongoing drilling in meaningful intersections, 20 of 9. We keep on hitting gold. The challenge, obviously, right now, and you never want to talk about negatives, but really, truly, the elephant in the room is no one cares about gold or gold juniors, which is really, really frustrating, because when you look at the economic backdrop of what's going on in the world, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else other than gold and probably crypto, quite frankly, or precious metals in general. But really the sort of game changer for our company, outside of continuing to hit gold at Newman Todd, is that we've managed to put together literally a property package, the envy of any major or mid-tier in the world. We're reassembling what's called the Confederation Belt. That's what Dixie sat on. Dixie, of course, is the world-class discovery out of Great Bear. Great Bear just got taken out for $2 billion. They had about 7 kilometers of strike. We have 100 kilometers of strike on that same structure. So we're trying to do things differently than the average junior, where instead of just sitting on sort of a small property package, trying to raise $1 million, trying to sink a couple holes into it, we're legitimately putting together a world-class majors land package.
So, from where we are right now, and also really from what you can tell us, what are the next steps to take Trillium to the next level, or where you want it to go?
Well, exogenously, or sort of outside of our control, we like people need to recognize that gold at 1900 is still an incredible gold price. I mean, we were literally just at 2000. There's a war going on. You've got inflation rampant all over the world, probably closer to 20% in the US than 10. People need to start recognizing that and understanding that the single best hedge against inflation is gold. So that's number one. The other one is the property package that we put together. It's kind of a weird story. For whatever reason, like if you were to talk to an old timer in Red Lake, Confederation Belt has always been a gold belt. But for whatever reason, over the last 2-3 decades, people started trying to convince themselves that it was a base metal VMS belt. And so it was controlled by a lithium company. It was controlled by another company that was, looking for copper, zinc, nickel, whatever, when in reality, they should have been looking for gold. So we're gonna take our team, and it's an exceptional team, 120 years of experience in Red Lake. They get structure, they get what to look for. And it's gonna be boots on the ground exploration. And then with a little bit of luck, some drill holes into some really, really juicy targets. I don't want to try to tell the world what's going to happen, but if we can hit something on that same structure that Dixie sat on, maybe we get the same fervor that Great Bear had, just because it would make common sense that if you hit on the same structure that they were sitting on, more gold, chances are you're going to become an appetizing target for someone very quickly.
Very good. Well, Russell, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Trillium Gold?
Yeah, www.trilliumgold.com. Obviously, our symbols, TGM, TGLDF in the US. And then, of course, you can reach out to me or Donna Yashimatsu, who is our head of corp dev. And we're always, I try to pride myself on being a CEO that's always accessible. So, you know, rstar@trilliumgold.com. Reach out to me. Happy to chat.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do
You bet.
appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. I look forward to our next update.
You got it, man. And good luck in Vegas. Enjoy the warmth.
Thank you.